In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a house in Genshin Impact by unlocking the Serenitea Pot housing system. If you're a fan of Genshin Impact, you might have heard about this unique feature that lets players create their own home-like realm within the game. This feature, known as the Serenitea Pot housing system, is a favorite among players who enjoy customization and creativity. First things first, before you can dive into decorating your dream house, you need to reach Adventure Rank 35. This is a critical milestone in the game as it allows you to access more advanced features. Once you've reached this rank, a questline titled A Teapot to Call Home becomes available. Completing this quest is your ticket to unlocking the housing system. The quest itself is both engaging and informative, providing a gentle introduction to how the housing system works. After you complete the quest, you'll be presented with the Serenitea Pot. This magical item is not just any old pot. It's your very own realm, waiting to be filled with characters, furniture, plants, rocks, and even pets. To use the Serenitea Pot, simply enter it, and you'll find yourself in a spacious area that you can customize to your heart's content. Now let's talk about customization. Inside, you can place various items and structures, which are crafted using resources found throughout the game world. You can gather these resources via exploration or unlocking recipes through completing specific missions. One tip is to always keep an eye out for blueprints, which are keys to crafting new and more complex items. Decorating in the Serenitea Pot is intuitive, with a simple grid system that lets you arrange items with ease. Furthermore, hosting characters in your Serenitea Pot has its perks. You can increase your friendship levels with them as they dwell in your realm. This aspect adds another layer of interaction, making your housing experience more personalized and rewarding. A key point to remember is the importance of aesthetics and utility when designing your realm. While it's tempting to create a sprawling mansion filled with everything you can craft, consider how these elements can create an atmosphere that reflects your personal style. Experimenting often yields the most satisfying results, as it allows you to play with various layouts and combinations. Whether you haven't unlocked the housing system yet, or are looking to improve your pot's appeal, these guidelines should help elevate your Genshin Impact experience. Have fun decorating, and may your creativity reign supreme in your new virtual home.